Ever wished you could integrate your Afterpay payments directly with your Cash App? Let's explore how this financial synergy works. First, access your Cash App and familiarize yourself with its primary functions, typically found on the main dashboard or navigation bar. Afterpay functions by partnering directly with merchants. Therefore, to utilize Afterpay, you'll need to be shopping at an online store that already supports Afterpay as a payment method during checkout. The connection point arises when you link the card you use for your Afterpay installments to your Cash App account. This doesn't enable direct Afterpay payments within Cash App, but rather consolidates your payment methods. To establish this link, navigate to your Cash App settings. Look for an option to manage your payment methods or linked accounts here. You will add the debit or credit card associated with your Afterpay account. This setup allows you to manage your overall spending, including ensuring sufficient funds in your Cash App to cover Afterpay purchases, which are processed through your linked card. Consider Cash App as your central financial hub. You can use it to fund the debit or credit card that handles your Afterpay installment payments smoothly. In essence, you aren't making Afterpay payments directly within Cash App. Rather, you're ensuring the linked card, which pays Afterpay, is readily funded through your Cash App balance. While not a direct payment integration, linking your Afterpay card to Cash App offers a convenient way for users to manage their finances across both platforms.